Welcome to episode number 28 of the Mastering Marriage podcast, where our goal is to strengthen, unite, and restore your marriage. Hey everybody, my name is Amanda Taylor. And together with my husband David, we are the co-founders of MendOurMarriage.com. And our goal is to break the back of divorce by bringing married couples together to be accountable, keep the passion alive, and expose the hidden issues that try to rip marriages apart. And we are back in the booth today with me, of course, Amanda Taylor, and with my hubby, my husband, my bookie, David Taylor.
Hey guys, welcome back into the booth. We are here, and this is episode number 28 of the Mastering Marriage podcast.
Hey, everybody.
And we just want to say thank you and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in.
We've missed you guys.
Yeah, we have, I think the last time I checked, we have over 23, almost 24,000 downloads of our show so far.
Yes, thank you guys so much.
So that's really good. I mean, we're doing well. So we thank you for tuning in. And this episode number 28, is brought to you on behalf of MendOurMarriage.com. Where our job is to do what, baby?
Snap, crackle, pop.
Break the back of divorce. And we're so serious about this that we have actually started our Mend Us 90 program.
Yes, I'm so excited about that.
We have an awesome group of people that we have started working with. And this 90-day journey is going to be off the hook.
Yes.
And hopefully at the end, we can say that 100% of these individuals, their marriage has been mended. Because we got people coming in, all shapes, forms, and fashions.
Right, different stages.
Yeah, in different stages. So this is exciting, and so we appreciate you guys. We appreciate our members, our family, and, just thank you for that. Because, we're really serious about, changing lives and mending marriages and breaking breaking the back of divorce.
Not other backs.
Breaking backs.
Divorce is back.
Yeah, we're really serious. We're just not trying to write good blog posts, but we're actually trying to do some good things.
And invest time.
Yeah. So today, actually, we have a very interesting thing for you guys. But before I do, I want to read a few listener-submitted reviews, on iTunes.
Let's do that.
And I do want to say this, and this is like my little soapbox, so just kind of, pray for me. But we need more ratings. We need more ratings and reviews. We really do. Right now, we have a total of 36 reviews and 38 ratings. We have 28 episodes now. So we almost have one rating per show. Right now, at this stage in our podcast, since we've been doing this for a few months now, we should have over 50 ratings and reviews. And the reason why this is important is because right now we have not even ranked in the top 10 of iTunes in the last 2 weeks. And it's a little disappointing because we were up in the top 4 hanging out with the big guns, and now we kind of dropped off. And so when it happens, we have less visibility. And so, the more reviews and ratings we have, the more visibility we have as well. Mm-hmm. And the more visibility we have, the more likely we are to touch more marriages. Mm-hmm. So this is a way for you guys to help us mend more marriages. It's by leaving ratings and reviews.
Right, and it doesn't have to be long. We just need to know that,
even
you're getting
just
something
thanks.
of it.
Yeah, just say thanks.
Yeah, thank you and a rating. That's fine.
And so let me read a few because we do get them and we do read them all.
And we do appreciate them.
We do appreciate it. So let me read a few from people that recently submitted. Here's one from Nikaboo. Did I mess that one up?
I can't see it.
Her name is Nikaboo. And she says, I've been listening to your podcast for about a month and finally invited my husband today because I'm hoping he will be willing to take the 90-day challenge with me. You both are great, and I appreciate the transparency you display daily. Keep up the great work.
Thank you, Nikaboo.
Thank you, Nikaboo. Here's another one from Dominionaire. I like that name.
I like that, too.
It's a husband. Today's podcast, which was released on 10/27, was very helpful. My situation is similar, so I take notes and will implement them in my home. I appreciate all you are doing. I messed up. I appreciate all you are doing for marriage. Keep doing what you do. It's helping. God bless you. Thank you, Dominionaire. We appreciate that, man.
Yes, thank you.
Here's another one from Mrs. H330. She says, love these podcasts. The hosts give practical marital advice to difficult questions. I can't wait until the next episode. Well, you're going to really like this one. You're going to really like this one, Miss H330. Let me read one more. Here's one from Ray Hoops 22. I happen to know this guy. He says, I love David and Amanda's transparency and honesty. It's good to know that there are people who care about the covenant of marriage. We appreciate you, Ray, man.
Thank you, Ray.
Thank you. Thank you for your ratings and review. And everybody else who have submitted a review recently that we have not read, we appreciate it, guys, because we really need it. And it's helping us spread the message to the world, literally.
Yes,
like
it is.
literally to the world. Not just to the United States of America, like to the world. So you guys are helping us to have a global reach on helping to mend marriages.
That's right.
Now that we have the formalities out of the way, let's talk about the topic of today's show, shall we? Today, we're going to be focusing on the sex challenge. Yes, you heard it, the sex challenge. Instead of doing a listener-submitted question, we are going to issue you guys a challenge.
We challenge you.
We challenge you to the sex challenge. Here are the parameters of the sex challenge, because we want everybody who's listening to participate. Here's what we challenge you to do. And by the way, we are going to also participate in the sex challenge.
Yep,
we're going to do it. We're going to do it right with you. Now, like when I say do it right with you, not like
we're going to participate.
Yeah, because y'all nasty thinking like that.
You
y'all just need Jesus. But anyway, so here's the parameters. We want you to have sex 4 days in a row in 4 different locations. So each day that you have sex, it shall be in a different and I would say newer environment. So if you're used to having sex in the bedroom, in the bed, this is your opportunity to have sex in the toilet. I was going to say the toilet. No, not the toilet. That's nasty. Oh, shoot. This is your chance to have sex in the tub or in the laundry room or the kitchen or
in the shower or even the floor of the bedroom
or the
chair in the bedroom.
The car.
Okay, so we gave you some suggestions.
Sneak and get a quickie at the,
Don't you be getting people arrested.
No, I'm just saying, maybe go to the gas station and sneak and get a quickie.
The bathroom's nasty.
Well, you got to improvise. I'm sorry. Okay. But anyway, this is your opportunity to join us in the sex challenge. We issue this challenge to every marriage that is listening. If your marriage is hurting or healthy, we challenge you to have sex 4 days in a row in 4 different locations. And we're going to I'll tell you in a minute how to do it. But I want to tell you why this is important. Number one, obviously, the better intimacy you guys have, the better quality of relationship that you'll have. And not just sexual intimacy, but intimacy. But sexual intimacy is what we're going to focus on because often that's one of the first things that starts to kind of dwindle in a marriage. No matter how long you've been, rather, marriage or sex in marriage tends to dwindle the longer you stay married.
And we've done a podcast recently on emotional intimacy. So we're going to cover all the different facets of intimacy throughout our podcast.
Exactly. But today we're going to focus on sex, and we want you guys to add some flavor to your sex life. And Mandy and I, we've been very transparent, so hopefully she don't mind us being transparent. She don't mind me being transparent.
That's fine.
But we are also doing this challenge because we want to add more flavor to our sex life.
Exactly.
We kind of get stuck in routines, long day, so we don't really have any interactions during the day, so we eat, sit down and watch TV,
go to bed.
And then go to bed, and then that's where we have sex. And so we want to also switch it up, and do something different. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be embarrassing because we may do some things in some places that, we normally don't do,
Right.
And so, but it's all part of the process. And we're going to report back to you as well
on
Monday how it went for us. But here's what we want you guys to do so that we could, make sure that you guys are participating. So this episode is going out on Wednesday. That gives you a day to get
your mind right.
I'm sorry, I was going to say get shaved, be cleaned up. Whatever you need to do, get focused.
I mean, it is cold, so some women don't be shaving right now.
Shave them pits. Shave them pits. Okay, quit playing with us. Anyway, so this will start on Thursday. Okay? So tomorrow is November the 12th, which means that Thursday is the 13th. So you are to start on the 13th, which is Thursday, and it ends on Sunday, the 16th. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you should be getting it on, okay? 4 days in a row in 4 different locations. Here's how I want you to check in with us. Okay, so on the website, we have a page. It's titled mendarmarriage.com/sex challenge. Okay, so I want you to go to mendarmarriage.com/sex challenge. And you'll find the link to this podcast there, but you will also find a place to leave a comment. And for every individual who has decided to accept our challenge, all we want you to do is type in, "We accept your challenge," or "We accept the sex challenge," or whatever you want to do. And then, so you do that starting either tomorrow or Thursday, whenever you get this podcast and you hear it, and you guys decide that you want to do it, type on in that discussion section, "We accept your challenge."
And we'll just say, if you want to be entered into the challenge, you have to make sure that you post that comment on the website by 12 midnight Eastern time.
Yeah, so just, and I'm not as big of a stickler as Mandy is on that. I just want to make sure you guys.
I want to be fair.
Well, yeah, I know, I get it, but
well,
I just want to
tell them the.
I want to make sure that you guys at least know how to get, put your name in the bucket.
Yeah.
Because we have a prize for the person that, we're going to randomly pick a couple. But so Thursday, either Wednesday or Thursday, you comment and say, "We accept your challenge." And then Sunday, for all of you who have actually completed it, now this is going to be the honor system, okay? So please be honest with us. For everybody who's actually completed the sex challenge, all we want you to do is go back to that same, comment area, and I want you to leave another comment saying, "We completed the sex challenge." Okay? You don't have to leave details of places and times and what all y'all did.
We don't need
that. We don't need that, but, we just want you to put in there, "We've completed the sex challenge." And then what we're going to do is Sunday night, we're going to look at all of the people who commented, and we're going to randomly pick a winner. And the winner, the couple, will receive a $50 gift certificate or a Visa, whatever $50. We're going to give y'all $50 for you guys to go out on a nice date. And so, and we'll announce the winner on Monday, right? On Monday's podcast. Mm-hmm. So that means that all of the responses has to be in, I'm actually going to say by 10 p.m. Sunday Eastern Standard Time. 10 p.m.
Now you're the stickler.
Well, because I know we usually do our shows late.
I know.
And so 10 p.m. Sunday, November the 16th. That's a new one. 16th Eastern Standard Time. And then we're going to pick a random winner, and we're going to announce you guys on the show.
On Monday.
And actually, I would like to maybe get you guys on the show to do an interview. Because I want to hear how it, I don't want the juicy details, but I want to know how it
positively affected your marriage.
Yeah, exactly.
And spiced it up.
Yeah. And so we'll just leave it at that. We're issuing you out a sex challenge. Go to mendarmarriage.com/sex challenge to join. All you have to do is leave your name. And if you want ideas on how to enhance your sex life, for anybody who have not subscribed to our website, we have a new opt-in on our website where you can get 12 ways to drastically enhance your sex life.
Right, now opt-in is free.
It's free. That's free, completely free. And so you can go to our homepage and just sign up there, leave us your email address, and you'll get that for free. But everybody else who's already, you don't have to worry about subscribing right now. We want you to join the sex challenge. So did I cover everything?
You covered everything.
Okay, so let's get it on. It's time to knock some boots, guys. Hey, we married, so we could be very vulgar. Is this vulgar? No, we don't want to be vulgar. No, we don't want to be. But we could be open.
Blunt.
We could be blunt. Okay, good. So anyway, that's the sex challenge. mendarmarriage.com/sex challenge. You can go to it from the podcast link in iTunes, or you can go to it just directly from our website. We'll also have this link up on Facebook. So there's no way that you should not be able to find it, okay? So hopefully we get a chance to hear from you guys.
All right.
We'll talk to you later. All right?
All right.
Deuces.
Deuces.